Travis here from Kelowna Chevrolet, and today I'll be showing you this 2016 Volkswagen Beetle Coupe. Powering this little bug is a turbocharged 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This will get you roughly 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers. Checking out the hatch, lift the emblem, and here you have lots of cargo space with your spare tire underneath. Moving into the interior, you have a nicely strapped door pocket with premium cloth seats that are in this beautiful two-tone. This car also currently has 87,231 kilometers. Here's your Bluetooth-ready infotainment, climate controls with heated front seats, and a storage pocket with a USB port. Now to get into the back seats. Flip the handle, up goes the seat to reveal your back seats, as well as a 12-volt power adapter and cup holder. Thank you for watching this walk-around video of the 2016 Volkswagen Beetle Coupe. If you'd like to see this vehicle in person or take it for a test drive, come and see us at Kelowna Chevrolet, and our sales team will happily show you around.